Hello everyone, I am Santosh. Today I am going to present one important topic, that is women empowerment. First of all, why we need to empowering the women? Because women are considered as a weaker section of our society, so that's why we need to empower women. So when we taking consideration of our Indian constitution, there is a lot of provisions are relating to particular women and children as well. When we considering the part third of the Indian constitution, part third of the Indian constitution is ensuring that there is given fundamental rights to every citizen of India. So Article 14 itself gives us to equality before law and equal protection of the law. This right is considered as a fundamental rights. As well as Article 15 Clause 3 itself says that there is a special provision for women and children as well. So using this provision of Article 15 Clause 3, state has power to implement special provisions or special laws for relating to or benefiting to particular women and children. So when we considering the various steps taken by the our respective central and state governments, we can easily find out that a lot of central government schemes are benefiting for women. When we consider in the rural level, there is mudra loan schemes also in existence. So there is we can see larger number of Sri Shakti, that kind of groups. This is some kind of 10 to 15 or more than 10 members women, they are including in a particular group, they named as a Sri Shakti, that particular group, and they easily get loan facility and other subsidy schemes also in that particular group. And this kind of provisions are women getting empowering in rural level. When we considering the uh, one scheme called 2017, there is introduced by central government, Maya Shakti Kendra. In that particular Kendra, women are getting digital literacy, and they are developing their skills, and there are some kind of employment guarantees also in that particular uh, Maya Shakti Kendra. This is also one of the important role playing. I think this scheme is very effective, I think. So when we considering the our Karnataka, there is our state governments also taken various steps to empowering the women. When we considering there is we can see in Karnataka state having a KSRTC bus. That particular KSRTC bus, when we entering into KSRTC bus, there is 33%, I think more than 33% seats are reserved for women. This kind of reservation also a good sign for empowering the women. So when we considering the in panchayat election or local body election in Karnataka as well, there is one third reservation given, ensuring that for women. It means women are getting one third reservation in local body elections. So this is also one of the major and important provisions for women empowerment. So when we considering the various laws for relating to women's, when we considering the one important act is there, that is called Domestic Violence Act 2005. So Domestic Violence Act, when domestic violence happens in society, or it may be in their family, at that time this act will comes into picture. So one important act is there, that is called Dowry Prohibition Act. Dowry Prohibition Act is also one of the important acts. So, but when we considering the dowry system in India, we are still following dowry system, and we still practicing that particular system, and we can easily say that dowry system we are still practicing, and the dowry system is still going on. So when we considering the working woman, there is a lot of provisions ensuring that, and giving benefit to the working woman. When we considering their protection in that particular employment or maybe in industry, there is no, as per the Sexual Harassment Act 2013, this particular Sexual Harassment Act at workplace, it prohibits and sexual harassment in that particular industry or employment. As per this particular act, employers should form the one internal committee for the purpose of inquiring the sexual harassment in that particular industry, or it may be employment. When we taking when sexual harassment happens in that particular industry or that particular employment, at that time internal committee inquiring that particular incident in initial level, and if there further assistance is needed, then that internal committee assists and helps to that particular woman go through the complaint and other IPC provisions. So this Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act 2013, it's clearly state that sexual harassment is considered as a criminal act in India. So when we considering the benefit for the working woman, there is one important act is there, that is called Maternity Benefit Act 2000. I think it's 1961. Yeah. So when we considering this particular Maternity Benefit Act, when working woman got pregnant, then employers should give that particular woman to live with pay. This act ensuring that particular working woman live with pay. So in this regard, these two acts are playing important role in that particular working woman's life. So when we considering the immoral trafficking, there is in earlier day also and recent day also we have seen a lot of women are bad mannerly, they are immorally trafficking. When we considering the some North Indian women and Karnataka women also, they are immorally trafficking, and immorally they are sending into the illegal purpose. So when we considering the Mumbai city has a lot of women they're using for bad things. So when we consider the Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, this act is playing important role in that particular aspect. When we consider the immoral trafficking of women, this kind of act and activities are considered as illegal, and this is a criminal act. So this is important. I think this act is very important as per the prevention of immoral trafficking. So when we consider the another aspect of Muslim women, there is a Muslim Women Protection Act is there, that is ensuring that act. I think of course that act ensuring protection to Muslim women from divorce. So this is also one of the important act for Muslim women. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you.